So I really wanted to test out these bed sheet corners on a sheet that is already giving me problems. So I wanted to try it out on a sheet that already doesn't come all the way down, because I knew that if it would stay with this one, that it would stay with any of them. So as you can see, the sheet here does not come all the way down like like I wish it would. I think it actually shrank in the wash, but these are really easy to use. Whenever I first looked at them, I felt a little bit intimidated, but they're actually super easy to use. You just fold up these flaps right here, and then you pull the sheet down over them, and then you just slide these on. So you see how easily that slides off. You just need to make sure that you're using the side that opens, because one of the sides is going to be closed. So you want to make sure that you're using the side that actually has like the slide side on it, versus like this side that's closed. And then you're just going to like slide it on just like that. So I actually slept in this bed last night, and this was the first night that this did not come up, which made me so happy. So I only did my side of the bed. My husband, for whatever reason, never seems to have issues with his side of the bed. But yeah, so I have them on this corner here. Same thing. I still installed it the exact same way. And then I have the one over here. And yeah, honestly, like I said, super easy to use. And the sheet for the first time ever, even though I'm a pretty wild sleeper, stayed the same. So I fully support these.